All right, so this is the Inbox SMS story editor where you can add products to your story. They show up here. When it's added and the story is published, your products go here. If you click this, it'll bring you to the project page. You can embed this with your SMS messages that you send out. You can embed this in your Koji profile. You can embed this in your Inbox SMS mini app. You can embed this in your website. You can add this as a light box or a pop-up or anything that you're doing with videos and stories. What happens here is it goes into the local search, and if you are wanting to advertise locally and you've created a story and added a product, you can participate in our local discovery. And by simply, we've all done this before, but this will tell me the products that are close to me that are available in my marketplace. And this is the one product I've added a story to. You don't have to add a story. You can just add the product, and your product will just show up in your post. The posts do have dates as well, so if your product expires or if it's a ticket in an event, it will expire, not display after the date shown. But here's a story in a local post. This is desktop, so on mobile this will display a little bit better, but here we have here, and then you can just kind of buy it. You can watch the video. I'm a little cross-branded at the moment, but there you are. And then once you buy the product, it'll go in here. You can check out when you want, and then once you purchase the product, it'll come back to here where you can either claim the voucher yourself or you can send the product to a friend. And if you're buying tickets to an event and you buy 2 tickets, this is an easy way to send one to a friend right away. Easy way for add a coupon and you can claim the voucher yourself. There's about a million different ways to use the simple concepts here. Here's your inbox. These are the gifts that your phone number that you have registered have been sent. If you have a lot of gifts, this is where this whole inbox comes into play, because you're not going to have this 50 gifts in your SMS app, and you're not going to have to click on each one to figure out which one's been claimed and which one's not been claimed, yada, yada, yada. So the inbox is just a way to prevent fraud and not lose anything. If you like apps, you can save mini apps to your profile here, and then you can simply just access them from here and go buy all the products you want. Right. Here we have here's a story I embedded. And events, add to cart, and then you have drink gifts here as well. Every mini app has a link back.